I'm going to show you how to do face detection on the Wisenet X series cameras. We start in the setup menu and we're going to go under analytics to face detection. We're going to make sure face detection is enabled. If you make a change to that, you have to apply that. We can then set up the area of where we want to look for face detection. We can adjust the sensitivity. And then we can configure an exclude area. So if there's a certain place we didn't want to look for faces, we can draw up to 8 areas. Each area you can also click to be able to add another vertex to the line. So you can draw your area. You can right click to delete it. Once you have everything set, we can hit apply. We can say when an event happens, do we want to send pictures to an FTP server, send an email, record to an SD card, trigger the alarm output, and we can also tell it to only do face detection on a certain schedule, certain days of the week or certain times of the day. And then you'll see the camera detects a face.
To learn more about this and other exciting Hanwha products, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at hanwhasecurity.com.